What's going on, guys? This is your boy Trillionaire Mac. Welcome back to another YouTube video. So in this video, we are going to be discussing how to know when the trend of the market has changed as it relates to order flow, right? So how can I pay attention to order flow and understand or see that the market has changed from an uptrend to a downtrend or from a downtrend to an uptrend? One subscriber asked me a question about it in the comments, asked me if I could make a video. So buddy, this is for you, okay? We're gonna get into all of that detail, all right? Now, before we get started, I just wanted to show this USD CHF trade that all 7,000 clients, as well as myself, we took earlier today, okay? I sent this trade out when price was back here, okay? I had this marked up and everything. I told my clients to wait for price to push down here within this demand zone, and we would take a trade. So if we just press play on this, okay, we can see kind of how price decided to play out. All right, so we had like 3 pips of drawdown, and currently price is in profit where it is now, right? So we're currently up around 16.6 pips. Okay, we're going to lock in some profit once we hit this alert right up here. I'll update all of my clients within the Telegram channel, which is the first link in the description. So if you would like to see screenshots, okay, examples, trades, trade management, okay, and if you overall just want to make some money right along with me, okay, if you want to catch these 17.03% trades, 18% trades, 20% trades, then what I need you to do is click that first link in my description and join Trillionaire Mac Trades. Okay, we have 7,324 current students, okay, a part of the channel. All right, as you can see, once USD CHF, which is this pair right here, once it started setting up, okay, it looks like this. I said just finished a couple sessions in a meeting earlier, going to be on the charts mobile for the rest of today, keeping an eye on UCHF. I'll send a perfect entry on EU for you all to study as well. So not only did I send a perfect example of an entry on Euro USD that I took earlier today, okay, but I also updated you guys on this trade right here. So I finally gave the trade limit, okay, USD CHF risk 0.5%. We were looking for that to take place. Okay, then price pushed down. We weren't wicked in yet because of spread. Okay, and this was the last update that I sent to the group. And now we can see where price is at. So the last update I sent to the group was when we had that first leg push to the upside after the retracement. So right here. Then we had another retracement to the downside, and now we are currently right back where we were. And we'll be looking to take profit somewhere up here, which I will update the team. All right, so if you guys want to take advantage of these trades before they sent out, now you guys just saw the before and after, and over 7,000 people were able to take advantage of this trade before price even pushed down to this area right here. So if you not only want examples, but if you want to make money right along with me, then click the first link in the description, okay, Trillionaire Mac Trades, and join my Telegram channel to take advantage of these setups. Now, let's go ahead and get into how to know when... Oh, I don't want to show you guys this next trade. Let's get into how to understand when the trend within the market has changed depending on order flow. So bullish order flow, we all know price is creating higher highs, higher lows. And let's say this is on the H4 time frame. Higher highs, higher lows, right? We all understand that. So what are you normally looking for when price switches trend? Now, before we talk about what happens when price switches trend, let's talk about order flow on the lower time frame. So if pink is my H4 time frame, okay, and then I go and I get a blue color, let's change that back to pink, and let's say I get a blue color, okay, we'll do this right here, change that to blue, okay, and then we'll just take that away. Okay, let me see. Give me 1 second, guys. Let's change this like this to blue. Okay, so let's say blue is going to be my M15, okay, and then pink is going to be my H4. On my M15 time frame, all right, I'm going to be seeing higher highs and higher lows on this up leg right here. right? I'm going to see price print higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. Then what's going to happen is when I start to get on this retracement leg, price is going to create a double top, so to speak, okay, or a failure high. We're going to break structure to the downside, and then I'm going to see lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. And then the same thing is going to happen when I get back to this uptrend. Then I'm going to see a break of structure, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, right? So that's how price moves when it is within the lower time frame order flow, right? So that's exactly how it is. So I'm just going to finish this out really quickly, and then we're going to go over a little something that I use in order to really be able to track order flow. So I'm just going to finish this up. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Now, in the comments down below, well, before we continue moving forward, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. All right. It's going to be very, very important that you do so to assist us with getting into the algorithm, right? So we can reach as many people as possible. Now, you guys already know my why. I'm trying to assist over 10,000 people. Okay, minimum 10,000 people with finding financial freedom using the foreign exchange market. All right, and I want you guys to be a part of my journey, but we also want other people a part of the journey with us, right? So make sure you guys hit that thumbs up as well as that subscribe button, and in the comments, comment how long you've been trading and what type of content you would like to see me produce. So if you have any questions, if you want to see a specific video, feel free to drop that in the comments down below. All right, so now I'm going to change my color to black. Okay, and we're going to talk about order flow. So right here, we see higher high right here, and then our previous higher low is right here, right? Price pulls down, creates a higher low right here, and then we see a break of structure, so now we're playing within this range, okay, on the M15. Then price pushes down, gives us a higher low right here, break structure, so now we're playing within this range. Okay, so when price is creating higher highs and higher lows on the M15 time frame, it's always going to be playing within a range, okay? When that range is broken to the downside within an uptrend, then you know that price is now within a retracement leg if you're looking on the lower time frame for order flow. Okay, so what I mean is, if this is my M15 time frame and we're creating higher highs and higher lows, I know that price is starting to create downtrend structure when I see a push to the downside that breaks a previous higher low. Okay, if you need to rewind that and listen to it again, then feel free. Okay, remember, the trend is not confirmed. This is not a confirmed break right here until price retraces, okay, gives me a lower high, and then gives me another break of structure with another successful retrace, okay? So in order for me to see and understand that, okay, price is switching from an uptrend to a downtrend, okay, I need one break of structure, and then I need a second break of structure. The second break of structure is what's going to confirm the fact that we are now within a downtrend, okay? And I can really take advantage of this next retracement for this move to the downside, okay? So that is something that you guys do have to keep in mind. So now let's track everything that we just said. So we said we know that price is transitioning to a downtrend when it breaks a higher low within an uptrend, right? So it breaks a higher low within an uptrend, price retraces, okay? And then what happens? Then pushes to the downside to give us a second retrace, okay? Then what happens? Price pushes down, gives us a lower low, right? And then what happens? Then pushes up to break structure to the upside because we understand that the H4 time frame is just giving us a pullback, which on the lower time frame, such as the M15, will be our downtrend structure. Okay, so when you're in a downtrend and you break a higher low to the upside, that is order flow switching from bearish momentum, okay, to bullish momentum. All right, but remember, it's not confirmed until you see that second break of structure. So that second break of structure takes place right here. Okay, price pushes to the upside, breaks this previous lower high or higher high, excuse me, with this push, retraces. Okay, there was probably some demand or an order block right here that you could have taken advantage of, and then what happened? then price starts to push up. And then you allow price to continue pushing up until you see what? Until you see a confirmed break right here, and then you know that price is now within a retracement leg. Okay, so in this video we explained not only how to take advantage of order flow, okay, on the lower time frames, but I also shared with you guys how to understand whether or not order flow is switching trends. Okay, and it's the same thing for the higher time frame. So let's change this color back to pink. Okay, let's say within this area right here, price created a higher high. Okay, broke structure to the downside on the H4 time frame, retraced, broke structure again. So once it breaks structure again, this right here is now a successful retrace, and then I'd be waiting for price to retrace back, break structure. So now I know that price is transitioning to a downtrend. Okay, so this first break right here is not a confirmed break. And the reason why is because sometimes price will do this, and I know you guys know what I'm talking about. Sometimes price will be an uptrend structure, right? We'll create a higher high. We'll come down here, create a lower low. We'll break structure, create a lower low. And then what happens? Then price continues to push to the upside, right? And then we would see after we backtest that price came into a level of demand that was not previously filled, okay, collected this liquidity, okay, we probably had equal lows right here, collected liquidity, and then pushed to the upside, okay? So you always want to confirm order flow on the second successful retrace and not the first, okay? So this is what you're looking for. So now I'm going to just speak the rules so you guys can write it down, and then you guys can feel free to rewind the video to look at the examples again. So if we're within an uptrend and price is creating higher highs and higher lows, if we see price break a higher low to the downside, give us a retracement lower high, okay, and then break the lower low that was previously formed, then we know that we're within a confirmed downtrend. And then it's opposite for a confirmed uptrend, right? If we're switching from downtrend to uptrend, right, price would be creating lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, okay? We'd see a lower high break like this, right? Price would retrace, give us a higher low. We would see a second break, and then on that second successful retrace, that is where we would be looking to take buy positions for price to push to the upside. Okay, so I hope this was able to answer your question, Daniel. You left a comment asking how to correlate higher time frame order flow with lower time frame order flow, and how to know when order flow has changed from bullish to bearish or bearish to bullish. All right, so this right here is how I do it. It's very, very simple. Don't overthink it. All right, it's going to be very, very important that you don't overthink it. Just go with the flow, okay, and allow price to do its thing. With that being said, this is your boy Trillionaire Mac. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and be sure to go check out the previous video because we are doing a $100 crypto giveaway on the Euro USD trade that hit take profit. And then I did show you guys this Euro or USD CHF trade, excuse me. And once this hits take profit, I'm going to do a trade breakdown for you guys. All right, and hopefully you guys are able to win some money. All right, so we're gonna take partials up here. So you guys should be able to at least win minimum $100 for sure on the next trade breakdown that we release on this. All right, with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. I know this looks like a lot right here, okay, but if you're a part of my mentorship program, or if you're within Trillionaire Mac Trades, link is the first link in the description, then you guys definitely understand how to decipher this and how to break this down. But with that being said, I'll catch you guys. Much love. Peace out.